friends, welcome to Rebelos. I hope you all are well. We know that the summer is coming and I've got an amazing small snacky kind of a recipe where it's kind of a sandwich where you can enjoy it with the pita bread and whatever you've got at home. So you know, I'm going to use beef today. Let me show you. I've got beef over here today. So I'm going to use this beef mince. I've got some onion finely chopped. I've got some chili finely chopped. I've got some coriander finely chopped. I've got some garlic, and I've got some ginger, half a lemon, and I've got some thyme over here. So I've got some fresh thyme. And to mix it up all together, I've got half a slice of bread with a little bit of Worcester sauce and salt and pepper, and about 2.5 tablespoons of water into it, so just to soften it up. What we'll do is put it all up together in a bowl, mix it up, and form it into a small patties. Over here, before I mix up, let me just show you over here. I've got some pita bread. You can use pita bread, or you can use any bread that you've got left over in the house. Just cut that up for the sandwich. And I've got some yogurt over here. Just if you feel that the beef patty is a little bit spicy, then you can add that yogurt to it. So let me show you. So I've got the beef mince in the bowl. You can use lean meat, or you can use the meatballs that you get on the shopping counter. What I'm using is meatballs. Just break it down. So I'm gonna add the ginger, basically lemon. What we do is we add all the stuff together into it. So just throw it up all together. Let me put that in the sink. Then we add the breadcrumb, the fresh bread that was soaked in a little bit of water, Worcester sauce, salt, pepper. And what we do is we give a good mix. Get the glove right. Give a good mix. So this recipe is quite easy, and especially during summertime, you've got barbecues around. You can use this recipe as a quick sandwich. It's a quick barbecue sandwich during summertime. I'm sure we all are waiting for the summer to arrive after a long COVID break. Hopefully everything should be back normal. So once you mix it up, just forms really gooey stuff. So what you do is just try and form it into a shape of a ball. Do a couple of them. So we got two pittas over here. So what I'm going to do is do 2 of those. I'll do 1 extra. Okay. Now what we'll do is, I've got a pan sitting over here. What I'm going to do is take one of my glove off and discard it. Okay. I've got a cast iron sitting down over here. A little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, just a dab onto it. Before I put the beef on the cast iron, what I'm going to do is slightly toast the pittas So the pan's been nice and red hot. Leave your pittas down and gently press them. Make sure you use a spatula. I'm quite used to using my hand straight onto the pan, so please don't try it if you're not comfortable with it. So, but try and get some nice color on it. Now see, you've got some slight color on it, so that should be perfectly fine. So we keep that aside. We add a little bit of olive oil. I'm using about a tablespoon of olive oil overall. That's for all in all. So what I'm going to do is put the beef patty on it. Down. Just tap it. Just tap it down. So we give about 2 minutes on each side, and then just check it if it's cooked right in the center, and then we'll transfer it back into the pitta. So after 2 minutes, turn this around. Be careful because it's really tender. Form it back in. Form it back into it and give it another 2 minutes. And now after 2 minutes it's done. We take it straight out, fill it inside the pitta patty, lay it on the plate. Take the other one. It's nice and juicy. Stuff it in. Okay. Turn it off. Put it aside. Over here. It's our juicy, spicy pitta patties for the summer. If it's too spicy, put a dollop of yogurt. Oh, there you go. Quick, spicy beef patties for summertime. You can avoid chilies if you've got kids. I'm sure it will make a good summer sandwich. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Throw in some likes, throw in some comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Till the next time, we'll bring you some more amazing recipes. Goodbye from the Rebelos.